Hi, my name is Paul. Let's see how you can use movavi video editor. Now, the first thing when you come to movavi, it will give you this interface here. Now, just come. The first thing you're supposed to do is supposed to add videos. There's this section here where you use most of the tools are here, and here is where you import your video, and here is the preview section, and then here is the timeline where you do most of your edits. So I just come here and click this to add a new video. So I'll go to where my videos are, and then I'll just come here and choose this lab videos. Maybe I want to import these videos here. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click them. I'm going to select them by using pressing control as I select them one by one, just like that. Select them one by one. Then I'll just place open. All of them will be there, just like that. Then after importing your videos, all of the videos are here. So the next thing you're supposed to do, maybe you can try to preview them by playing. If I play like this, it will give me this aspect. I don't want them to change. It will give me this aspect. Then if I play here, now you can see the moment I double click here, the moment I double click here, the moment I double click, they're being placed in the timeline, as you can see there. And then also you also realize they also play in the preview section there, and you just like that. Now I just, if there's this slider here that you can use to control, I can click it here. I can, if I want to go to an exact place in the video, I'll just click here, and maybe I just click here like that. So I'll just click here like that. Now you realize we're in the timeline here. Now if you want to play, I'll just click this one here. Now it's very simple. If I want to cut, maybe I want to cut some section in this video which I don't like, maybe at the beginning here. So I'll just slide this aspect here by clicking and holding and dragging like that, and just drag it on my timeline like that. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it. I'm going to use this split tool to cut. I'll just split it, and you can see that my video is split just like that. And you can also pull your videos in the timeline like that, whereby you can separate them. You can hold and drag them and shuffle your videos like that in the timeline. Maybe I want this one to come here. Maybe I also want to delete this one here. So you can easily just click, select, and cut that. If I did a mistake, maybe I want to go back, I'll just come and use this undo. I'll click this one, this one, this one as many times as possible until it goes to where it was. You see it is returning me to where it was. Now there are these tools here also you can use to edit a video. For example, this crop tool here. If I click it here, it will bring this aspect here where I'm able to crop my video. Maybe I don't want some section in my video. Like this video selected. If I don't want, I'll just make sure I select the video by clicking. Then I can just play around with these aspects here, and also play around. Maybe I want a close-up shot at the beginning of my video. Maybe I just do like that. Then I just press apply. Then as you can see, I've tried to make a very close-up shot of my video. Now if I play, you can see that it has cropped my video. Then it now goes to the long shot. Now you can do that if you want to put many effects in your videos. And then the next thing, maybe I realize my video has problem with colors. I'll just come and double click here. Then I can try to play around with the colors. You can preview it, but before that you can just drag it here. The good thing about movavi also, there are this question mark. If you don't sure of what to do, you can always click here, and it gives you, it is like here it's telling you to change the color settings, select a template or adjust the color manually. In this case I don't want to adjust the color manually. Let me undo. I'll just come and click this one and then drag on my video. You can see the changes here. It has been, the contrast has gone high. If I play, you can see the difference. Look at my video here, and look at the video here, and look at the video. You can see there's a difference. So maybe also you want, let me undo. Maybe I want to add maybe some white. I want to do some white balance, and just come again and drag it like that. Then I'll play, but I don't want that on balance. Maybe I like the contrast here. maybe I just drag the contrast there so that it becomes more contrast. There's also the advanced option whereby you can play around with the brightness. You can see, you can change, you can play around with the brightness like that. And maybe I come to the first clip here. I come to advanced. It is too dark. I want to change I want to add brightness and contrast maybe a little bit. You can see that. Then I can also play around with the hue and saturation, the color, but I want it to be, yeah, I want it to be more dramatic, more colorful because it's romantic video. So that's how to play around with the color to edit a simple video just like that. Now I'll come back here again under the media bin here. Uh, Here, and if I click this, there are many other options. For example, if I want to add sounds, maybe I want to add an upload of sound for clapping. What will I do? I just come, click this one here, and drag it here. Then I can easily play this. Maybe they're clapping for this couple. If I play, yeah. So you can listen to that. So you can listen to that. You can add the sound. You just come to sound, but most of the sounds here you'll have to download. Also, there's music here whereby maybe you want to make it into an action movie. Also, these ones you'll have to download. uh, like if you want to download this one, you just double click it and it will download. But now I want something more romantic. I'll just scroll here. I think this one can do. I think it's called Loveness because this is a more of a romantic video. So what will I do? I'll just come and drag it below here like that. Now if you look at movavi, there's this timeline. The timeline is divided into this video timeline and this audio timeline, and also we have the text timeline above here. Later on we'll add text and you see how it looks. Now if I play this after adding the audio, you see that the video is not coming into place. Yeah, now you can see my video is now becoming into place. Now if I want to change the sound variation, I'll just click this white aspect here. I'll always click below. I'll always drag. If I want to increase the sound, I'll pull it up. If I want to reduce the sound, maybe I'll put it like that. For example, now if I play, sound it is reduced. If I increase the sound, I play, the sound is increased, just like that. Yeah. Then the next thing also, there's this aspect here, sample videos. Now movavi comes with sample videos that you can use. For example, you want to, before your video starts, also some of all of them you download. For example, before your video starts, maybe you want a countdown. So I just drag this one here, top here. But before that, I'll want to add a video track. So what will I do? I'll right click here, then I'll come and it will give me this dialog box. Then I'll just add a video track. Now I have another video track. This is the symbol for a video track. This is the symbol for text track. And then below here, there's this slider here. There's this symbol for audio track. Now what am I going to do is very simple. I'll just drag this countdown here under the video track here. Then before the video starts, this is how it will go. If I play, it will count 9 up to somewhere 0. Just like that. I pause it. Just like that. Then my video is supposed to start after 0. Yeah, just like that. So I can also maybe change the size. Maybe I don't want it to be so long or I want it to be so fast. If I want to select all the clips, I just press Ctrl A and it will select all of them. And maybe I want to pull them like that. So if I want to scale my timeline, I can also come. There's this. If you look down here, there's this thing called scaler. You can easily see it. I can easily scale if I want it to be zoom or I want it to see everything in my clip so that I see also where my audio is. I can easily play around with this slider here, as you can see there. Now if I come back here again, there are these backgrounds here whereby you can decide to put a background on your video. You can just, so most of them are downloaded. This one is good, especially if you're using green screen. I'll just pull that one like that. Now I'll look for a video with a green screen effect. So I'll come to file again. I want to import a video with a green screen effect. Yeah, like this video here. I'll just open. If I place this video here like that, now you realize the video is coming with audio. Now this is another good thing. I'll select the whole clip. I want to remove the audio. What will I do? I'll select the whole clip, right click, and come and select detached audio. And the audio is now here, will be removed. And if you realize the audio has gone to the audio track line, so I'll just come and delete this audio like that and remain the clip. Now I want to remove the background of this video so that I place a background for it. So I'll just right click, I'll just come here and then I'll come to these options here. I'll choose this chroma key, then it will give me this something like an eyedropper. Come and click it here, then my background will go. Now I'll come again to my tools here, maybe adjust it a little bit, play around like that. I'll come again to my backgrounds here. For example, now I want this clip to have a background. What will I do? It means I'll have to add another uh, audio video track on top. I'll add a video track on top like that. Then what will I do? I'll maybe place this one here, maybe place it somewhere, maybe drag it on top like this, and then yeah, now you can see uh, if I want to put a background, I'll come again here. Maybe I want to put this background here. Just come and place it there. Now you can see my video has a background. I've just removed the background and now I've placed a new background. You can see the lady. You can add as many backgrounds as you feel like. Maybe now I want this one for something like Christmas. You can see now she's in Christmas. She's from this one. Now she's playing. She's going to Christmas. Yeah. So you can see that. Then we have effects here. Most of them are bought, so I don't want to go in much as that. Now the last thing I want to do, I want us to add text. Most of the videos that you'll edit, you'll find they have text. So I'll just come to T here, and then I'll come. There are many texts here that you can use. There are my titles, the one for titles, there's featured, there's basic, there's artistic, there's opening, and there's speech bubble. But I want to use artistic because I've seen something to do with the love here. I'll just drag the text. You see there's this timeline for text above here. It has an icon of T. I want my text to be somewhere here, so I'll just drag my text a little bit like that. Then I'll just position it. Maybe I want to change the words. I'll just always love you. Maybe around the word darling. So I'll just apply. Maybe I don't want the color white. I can easily edit here. I'll just come and choose maybe red. I think no, red is not contrasting well. Maybe purple. No, I just leave it at white. Maybe they want another, maybe something like a more calligraphy, maybe another font. You can use maybe this one, or look for a better font, maybe this one here. Then I'll just then I'll apply. Then I can easily come to text again. Maybe I want to position it somewhere. Maybe I want to position it somewhere here. I'll just click. I'll drag these aspects here. Then leave it like that. Now, if I play, you can see the text has an animation there. Now, you don't have to use that text. You can also use other text like this one, basic. You can just there's a text, there's opening. Maybe I want an opening text and also the speech bubbles here. Now also another thing, if you find a text that you like, you can easily click this to favorite it. Now if you like a text, for example, if you like to use a text frequently, you can easily just place this, then it will go to my favorites. Now if you want to access my favorites, you see the text are here, so I can easily use them anytime I feel like. Maybe if I want to edit this text, I'll just double click it and it will give me this here. Then I can write maybe love story, just like that. Then I can also add some text here. join us, then I'll just apply. Then they'll be just like that. So if I want to play, just do like that. So I'll just play this one. So guys, that's how to edit quickly in movavi video editor. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also watch the next video. It's that simple. It's that easy. Have a nice day.